Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should start by confirming you have the right to change security settings and by making a full backup. Once done, create a restore point so you can return to a known state if needed. Make sure you understand why protections exist. They block malware and unwanted changes. I won't walk you through disabling protections, but I will explain safer options you can pursue next to resolve specific issues without removing critical defenses. Instead of turning off security, consider managed alternatives you can safely use. For example, configure exclusions for trusted apps or temporarily pause scanning only for a short, tracked interval when necessary. If you're on a company device, coordinate with your IT team so changes comply with policy. If a false positive blocks legitimate software, document the issue and seek vendor or Microsoft support. This preserves to finish responsibly, re-enable all protections as soon as your task is complete, and verify system health. If something goes wrong, restore the system from the restore point or backup you made earlier. Make sure to log any interim changes and get formal approval for future adjustments so you don't leave a security gap. If you still face problems, contact your IT admin or Microsoft support for guided, safe resolution rather than removing defenses.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.